So there are 3 drops of phenolphthalein, that is vinegar, and then 0.1 mole NaOH solution. I'm recording this just in case. This would actually be a pretty good flow rate. So quite a bit have gone through. I'm looking for that fuchsia color, that 1 drop, and then would be gone. one cause of concern though, if it requires more than what the burette says, you don't want to wait till it goes all the way to the bottom line. You want to stop it before, and so that you can record how much NaOH you top up the burette with. Topped up a little bit more. Trying to get that good flow rate. It's a little faster than before, but you still want it to be drops rather than streams of water. Look like there's, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little bit of fuchsia right where the drop goes down. That's partly because of the phenolphthalein. So once I see that dot becoming more brighter or become more sustained, I will have to slow down the flow rate. You definitely want to keep an eye on the thing at all times. Now, right now, I'm not sure if you can see it. That fuchsia, the drop of fuchsia, it's getting more and more longer and more sustained. So definitely we're closer and closer to the end point. Tonian and Noel, hand in the paper in a minute. You see that this is getting pretty sustained. I'll stop for now. Slow control flow. Okay, recording. So I'm gonna do a very slow control flow. Do you guys see a little bit of a fuchsia forming?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So right now the solution is pretty close to the end point. Okay. Basically, you want to wait till it gets to a point where I might need to stop that for a moment. So I want to basically wait till it drops the one drop of this solution down there. It turns the color, the entire thing, very, very faint light pink color. Okay, I'm just going to stop. I'm going to run out for a moment. I'm going to pause this. Okay, so you can see that this fuchsia or pinkish color, it's coming quite a bit. I am just having a little bit faster. Now you don't want it to add so much or so quickly that the entire thing turned pink before you can stop it. Right now this is you will need to kind of, once you start seeing this getting a lot more pink and it stay pink for 1 or 2 seconds, the entire flask stay pink 1-2 seconds, then you really want to do one drop at a time. Right now you can still do this relatively quick. This is also the reason why we have 2 lessons to do this experiment, because you're expected, according to textbook, 3 trials. But right now I'm trying to show you what the endpoint is. So right now, when I stop this, you see that pink color stays for a while and then dissipates. This is very, very close. You do want to make sure like it is a controlled drop situation. Still not quite. So this still kind of dissipates, the pink color dissipates. So this is not quite endpoint yet, but very, very close. And I'll swirl this a little bit higher. So I gave a few drops, stops. Yeah, it's fading. So this is almost like at the point where you do like 1 drop at a time. And once you get a very faint color of pink that doesn't go away, then you know it's done. Yeah, you're about. Yeah, I think I might have just hit the end point. So you want it to be, if you can have a fainter color pink, that would be even awesomer. So this right now have reached the endpoint. You record what the reading is and then figure out how much NaOH you use, okay? For this dry run of mine, I think I roughly use about maybe 3 full burette of NaOH, and then now maybe half of it, 3.5, roughly. So on your first trial, really, this is the one where like you try to get a hang of the experiment. But once you get started and once you have everything washed and labeled, that will be pretty set. Okay? Any questions? Yeah. So right now, this is the color that you want.